Job of the day. We're doing bearing service and checking brakes on this thorough-built enclosed horse trailer, slant load. So let's get to it. I got my tester plugged in. We are going to do marker light testing. Marker lights are good. Front passenger side fender. Top's good, back's good, rear fender's good. Good on the back. License plate lights on, 3 of the lights are on. 6-inch oval's on, driver's side rear's on. Top, side, front, top. Okay, marker lights are good. We're doing right turn's good. Left turn is good. Cool. Alright, important lights are on and working. Let's tear these axles down, do bearings and brakes. I got covers off, shackle links look good. Equalizer looks good. Jack it up in the air, check brakes, and then tear everything down. Free spinning. Brakes sound good. Oh, left my remote on top of my tester. Free spinning on the front, free spinning on the rear. Brakes are on, but no working? Interesting. Alright, try this again. Front's free spinning, rear's free spinning, brakes are on. Perfect. Alright, and then back to free spinning. Cool. Check one more time. Brakes work. Good stuff. Let's take these things off. I think these are 4-inch drop axles. I did get a new brake adjuster. One of the people messaged me on Instagram after I asked about the brake adjuster, and he sent a link to that, and I was like, oh cool, I'll try that out. So try it out. I don't know if I'll be able to get into the bottom of it, but we'll try. Front brake looks great, magnet looks good, got good pad life on the shoes. Go to the rear, spindle nut off. And same thing on these, magnet looks good. Brake shoes look great. What's the wiring look like? Scotch locks, but they're all working, so I'm not gonna mess with anything. That runs across, Scotch locks, yeah, good. I might have to just adjust the brakes on the outside this time, because that does not look like it'll fit. But I'm gonna do bearings first. Hub and drums are good, rear and back. Just change out these bearings and these seals. Spindle getting cleaned off. A little bit of rust in there, but it's a good thing we're doing this. Clean. I'm gonna adjust the brake. See if that's good. No. Wonder if I can get behind that. Will it work? Come on. It's off. Can I get it in here? No. Oh, yes. Maybe. No, it doesn't work. Darn. Can I go the long way? No, we can't go the long way. Man, that's unfortunate. Try my other one. God. I need to heat this up and bend it. I just need a straight 90, and it works perfect. This is too big to go in. These are great for bigger brakes, but not for small brakes like this with 4-inch drop axles. I adjusted them out a little bit, slightly rubbing on the brakes. Everything works great. Spindle nut holder is on. Good. And let's check brakes. We got free spinning. Brakes are on, locked up. Brakes are off, free spinning. Cool. Alright, adjusted, slight rubbing on the brakes. Nut holder installed. Bring that back a little bit. There we go, nice and smooth. Free spinning, brakes are on, locked up, brakes are off. It's free spinning, perfect. Good, passenger side done, move to driver's side. And tires going on the front. Come on. Some of these I do not like. Grab some new ones. Throw these 2 out. I don't know why those 2 are difficult to go on, but it should not be that difficult. New lug nuts. There we go. That one's easy. There we go. Easy. On tight, on tight, on tight, and on tight, and on tight. Do the rear. Yeah, I don't like these. It's getting new. Oh, come on. Please go on. Thank you. I just need one that fits on perfect there. Rear passenger going on. Tight, 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 tight. One last check. Brakes are slightly rubbing, so everything's good. Brakes are on. Locked. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Perfect. And passenger side's on the ground. I'm gonna torque lug nuts. Front is done. Moving to the rear, and rear is done. Put beauty caps back on. Good. Beauty cap. Good. And moving to the driver's side now. And driver's side going up. So close. Come on. Front axle's off. Rear axle's off. Rear's free spinning. Front's free spinning. Brakes are on. Rear's good. Front is good. Brakes are off. Good. Hubs are cleaned out. Magnet surface is good. Brake shoe surface is good. Magnet, brake, good. Front spindle. Magnet looks great. We got slight rubbing on the brakes. Spindle nuts on, washer is on, channel locks, good. Slight rubbing, still good. Do not need to adjust this side. And it's on, good. No, or nut holder is on, dust cap is on, good. All right, let's do the rear. And get another rag. And here's this. Rear driver's side is on. Washer is on. Where'd my rag go? There it is. Spindle nut going on. Channel locks. Good, good. Rear is on. Nut holder is on. Dust cap is on. Good, good. Make sure that dust cap is on properly. There we go. Front's free spinning. Rear's free spinning. Brakes are on. Locked up. Locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning, free spinning. Perfect. Equalizers on this side are good. Looks like shackle links are, or yeah, equalizer's good, shackle links good. Nothing looks out of the ordinary. Wiring looks good, brakes work, all the other lights work. Let's get the tires on. All right, tires and wheels going on. Front's going on, good. Front is on. Rear going on. Tight, 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 tight. Let's check. Brakes are locked, perfect. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Sweet. Oh, free spinning. Coming down. There we go. Torque and lug nuts. Front torqued. Rear and rear's torqued. Beauty caps on. Good. Everything's torqued. Driver's side's done. Cleaning up now. Alright, I put fans in here last summer. Let's see if they're, make sure they're still working, if I can get in. Oh, gotta go around. I think it's 12 volt hotline. 12 volt hotline's on. Fans are working. Fans are still working. Oh, center, center, center. Perfect. All right, good. Double checking my work from last year. Always important. All right, this trailer is all done. New bearings, new seals, new grease. Checked all brakes, adjusted brakes. This side did not need to be adjusted because it was slightly rubbing. Other side was pretty out, but I did adjust that side. Checked the 12 volt fans that I put in about a year ago. They all still work. Left turn, right turn works. All marker lights work. Everything's good on this trailer. I'm on to the next.